everyone. So today I'm going to use the air fryer to fry some shrimp. We are going to see how this goes. Hopefully everything goes great where we can actually fry some really good shrimp. I'm super excited. This will be my first time using it, so this will definitely be an adventure. We are going to use this Go Wise USA air fryer. You can do so many different things. You can boil your food, you can fry your food, you can broil it, you can roast it, dehydrate, you can bake things in here. Super excited. First time for everything. And yeah, we got this on Amazon Prime, and we ordered it yesterday and we literally just got it today. So that was super fast. Shout out to Amazon. I can't wait to show you guys the finished results. So this is the air fryer. It's literally the same size as my whole body. And it came with the instruction manual. I'm guessing this is like a warranty or something. A reference guide. And so many different recipes that you can use. Different types of food that you can make using just the air fryer. I'm so excited because that is something that I'll definitely be using in the future, so I can, you know, expand my cooking abilities. Okay, so first things first, we've got to take everything out. But before I did this video, like, I was really trying to take everything out and I'm actually struggling. So we're gonna try this one more time. Okay, so we're gonna look at the instructions, see what they gotta say, because I'm really struggling out here and I don't understand why. It's not like, it's literally like, I think it's something stuck. It's not opening. I really don't know how to do this. Like, this is all, is it not all the, Jesus, fucking. Like, it's really telling me to open this, but I cannot open it. Nobody can help me right now. Because everybody has a job and, you know, school. You guys want to watch me struggle? Here we go. Dios mío. I don't deserve this. I've been a great person. I'm very nice. I work hard, I think. What if I'm actually not supposed to pull this out? So after a long 35 years, we finally got the air fryer open. So we can go ahead and start using it regularly. I'm first going to go ahead and get the shrimp out and start peeling the shells and taking off the tails. Excited because it's Zatarain's, and Zatarain's stuff is normally so delicious and so on point with the seasoning, so we are definitely going to try this out. I actually got it from my godmother and she recommended it to me. Okay, now so we have we have this shrimp. We took out all the shells and all the tails, so now we can start adding the seasoning mix, the breading mix, whatever it's called. It smells so good. So we're just gonna dump all of this in here. I'm just kidding, but we're gonna put a good mix in here. Ooh. And I mean, after, you know, we use all of the shrimp the little tiny shrimp is all covered, we can always, you know, still continue to use the mix that is left in the bowl. Ooh, and I'm on my nails. Maybe I should have put on some gloves. But yes, you basically want your shrimps to be covered in it. It smells so delicious right now. It's like hot, like spicy, and I can already tell it's gonna be crunchy. My mouth is watering. This is about to be some real good shrimp. I can tell you that. So we have to clean off everything on the inside and everything on the outside before we, started. 350. I've decided to, follow the directions. I'm putting on 350 for 5 minutes just to make sure like the rest of the germs and the dirt will burn. Okay, so that means we are ready to start the process. Put the shrimp on it. This better work. Look how hard this is. I probably had too much seasoning on it because it was like coming off like powder. But the inside looks okay. So now I'm tasting the second rack. Oh Lord Jesus. This is real powdery. So this is what they look like. Look at all this. Look at all that. And look at all that. That's probably from just one. And then another. Still crazy amounts. And then this is the really nasty ones. Oh, horrible. What did Randy say? It's a no for me, dog. This was a hot mess. But I said it was my first time. We tried it and we failed. But at least we tried it. If we didn't try, we would have never known. So yeah, we're gonna try this again some other time. Maybe, make something else. Not fried foods, because that's not my specialty, obviously. But yeah, they came out really nasty. I would not recommend this to anybody, not even my dog. So we about to go to Zaxby's real quick, pick up some food, and then we'll have our dinner. Bye, thanks for watching.